Here they are. Both racks have been dry brined and seasoned, heading for the refrigerator. Let's see how we did it. So let's start with the dry brining. We're going to coat both racks of ribs with kosher salt. Then we're going to let them rest for at least 6 hours, or if possible, overnight, and always in your refrigerator. Dry brining is an important process to make sure that your ribs will stay tender and juicy every time. It is especially effective with ribs due to the thinness of the meat, which allows the salt to penetrate from both directions. Okay guys, now for our final step, applying the seasoning or the rub. Today we're using Flying Swine all-purpose rub, which I find is perfect for pork ribs and pork shoulder and other pork dishes. It adds a nice sweetness and savory flavor to the surface of the meat, which is then carried into the meat by the salt during the dry brining process.